Hi there, students. Unbecoming, an adjective. I guess you have the opposite as well, becoming. Unbecomingly, the adverb, and I guess even unbecomingness, although I think that's probably fairly unusual. Okay, if something is unbecoming, it's not appropriate. It's not attractive. You look very unbecoming in that hat. That dress is not very becoming. It's rather unbecoming. It doesn't flatter you. It doesn't make you look good. Or also, unbecoming behaviour, unsuitable behaviour, bad behaviour, unseemly, if you like. This reminds me of the phrase, behaviour unbecoming a gentleman. Yeah, unsuitable to be a gentleman. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, manners unbecoming a lady. He behaved very unbecomingly, very unsuitably. Yeah, he behaved badly. Yeah, so if something is becoming, it looks very nice, it looks very attractive and appropriate. Yes, that colour becomes you. Okay, it's very becoming. Whereas if something is unbecoming, it's not attractive, it's not appropriate. That hairstyle is very unbecoming. Yeah. Conduct unbecoming an officer and a gentleman, not in keeping with the expected standards of one's position. Yeah, unsuitable, unfit, indecorous, improper. Yeah, he behaved very unbecomingly. Yeah, that hat is very unbecoming. I don't like to hear such unbecoming language. Unattractive, unsightly, unsuitable, incongruous, ill-suited, inappropriate, unfit, offensive, discreditable. Yeah, indecorous. Yeah, so making a dress like that out of such cheap material makes it look rather unbecoming. The way he was dressed was very unbecoming. Yeah, it didn't look good. His behaviour was very unseemly, very unbecoming. This is not the behaviour I would expect of one of my students. This is unbecoming to one of my students. Okay, so indecorous, improper, not good. Yeah, so becoming. If something becomes you, it looks good. That shirt's very becoming. A very becoming suit. I like that. Or, well, that's rather unbecoming. It's not really very suitable for you. So we use this especially for clothing or colour to mean it doesn't look good on you, and then for behaviour, something that's not appropriate, that's not befitting. Yeah, behaviour unbefitting a gentleman. And this is the idea of something that's becoming or unbecoming. It's unsightly. Yeah, that that you can't go around in that coat. It's ripped and dirty. It's very unbecoming. It's unsightly. Yeah. Yes, your conduct may be at no time unbecoming. Conduct unbecoming an officer of the British Army. Yeah. Okay, this is unbecoming behaviour. It's unfit. It's unsuitable. So, unbecoming, formality. I think it sounds a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit literary. I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. If you use it in an informal conversation, people will understand it, but it sounds very literary and old-fashioned. Yeah, it doesn't look good on you, or that was inappropriate, unsuitable, offensive behaviour. Okay, and clearly this comes from the verb to become. Yeah. Old English bikuman, to come, to approach, to arrive, from Proto-Germanic bikwemana, to come around, to come about, to come by, to come across. Be and come together. Okay? So if something is becoming, it looks good on you, or it's very suitable, and if it's unbecoming, it's unsuitable for you, or it's not the type of behavior that's expected. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Unbecoming. Unbecomingly. Becoming.